How to use Imo on your PC. Okay, at first you need to open your internet browser. Now type imo imo.im. Then if you are using Windows 10, type imo.im Windows 10. Okay, now go to filehouse.com, imo messenger download. I will given the download link into the video description. Now download it. Yes, and download it. Press the download and it will be downloading in the background. Okay, the software is downloaded. Okay, now you need to install it. There you see Imo setup. Just double click to it and it will open. Okay, it is, the setup is finished. Now you need to launch the Imo. It is launch. Now put your country name and country code right over there. As I type my country code and I am in Bangladesh. And now give your number and a text which is a 8-digit code will be sent to your mobile number you have given. Now put the number or country there. There you go. It is set up. So it is open. Now you can use Imo. Yes. Sure. Now you can call or message someone anytime. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, just subscribe my channel.